This film frame has been altered by someone. This film frame has been altered by someone.
Why would you want to alter your appearance? Why would you want to alter your appearance?
The improvement in her appearance was startling. The improvement in her appearance was startling.
These men had a story of startling interest to tell. These men had a story of startling interest to tell.
For the first 5 years I will only pay interest on my mortgage. For the first 5 years I will only pay interest on my mortgage.
The mortgage is a drain on our financial resources. The mortgage is a drain on our financial resources.
Older people are an untapped resource in the employment market. Older people are an untapped resource in the employment market.
We must make use of our untapped reservoirs of talent. We must make use of our untapped reservoirs of talent.
They breed fish in the reservoir. They breed fish in the reservoir.
It's a very rare breed of cows. It's a very rare breed of cows.